you're a product-based business and you have boosted the posts, you've run the traffic ads, because that's what everybody seems to be telling you to do, yet you have nothing to show for it. You've spent hundreds, if not thousands on ads, and you've got maybe a handful of sales. That's terrifying. This story is not unique to you. Sorry, but it isn't. I've audited over 100 Facebook ad accounts within the last year, and I see this time and time again. You see others on the online space who are telling you to just get in front of people, brand awareness, traffic ads. If you get in front of people, you can learn who wants to buy your product, but then they leave you hanging, and then they don't give you actual results from e-commerce clients who have seen multi-six-figure years, if not seven-figure years. The problem with this strategy is Meta is so smart. They will find people who want to buy if you tell them, hey, my end goal is to get purchasers. If you tell Meta, hey, my end goal is just to get traffic or just to get in front of views, they will find those people as well, but those are not the same people who are going to buy from you. The one tweak that you need to make is making sure that you're running ads as a conversion ad. I have a completely free 5-minute tutorial for you showing you exactly how to set up your first money-making ads. Comment the word 5 minutes down below and I will send it to you.